Asbestos, a hidden danger in homes and workplaces. Once hailed as a miracle material, it's now known for its deadly health risks. Let's uncover the truth and learn how to stay safe. Asbestos is a mineral once widely used for fireproofing and insulation. Found in older buildings, its tiny fibers become hazardous when disturbed. Breathing asbestos fibers can lead to severe diseases like mesothelioma, lung cancer, and asbestosis, often developing years after exposure. Suspect asbestos? Don't disturb it. Hire licensed professionals to inspect and remove it safely. DIY removal can be life-threatening. Strict regulations now control asbestos exposure. Awareness is key. Educate yourself and act responsibly to stay protected. Asbestos is a silent threat, but proper precautions can save lives. Stay informed, stay safe, protect your health and your future.